Hey guys, today's question, what is the law of Christ? Galatians chapter 6 verse 2 states, "Carry each other's burdens, and in this way you will fulfill the law of Christ." The law of Christ then is to love God with all of our being and to love our neighbors as we love ourselves. Rather than trying to remember over 600 individual commandments in the Old Testament law, Christians are simply to focus on loving God and loving others. If Christians would truly and wholeheartedly obey those two commands, we would be fulfilling everything God requires of us. Some use the fact that we are not under the Old Testament law as an excuse to sin. The Apostle Paul addresses this very issue in Romans chapter 6, verse 15. Are we to sin because we are no longer under the law but grace? By no means. For the follower of Christ, the avoidance of sin is to be accomplished out of our love for God and love for others. Love is to be our motivation. When we recognize these values of Jesus' sacrifice on our behalf, our response is to be love, gratitude, and obedience. When we understand the sacrifice Jesus made for us and others, our response is to be to follow his example in expressing love to others. Our motivation for overcoming sin should be love, not a desire to